coming from the mountains where the rivers flow. Nature speaks in whispers and the wind will blow. Hearts are open, listening to the call. Find a place of solitude where we stand tall. Og í þessum draumum finn ég ró. Eyjar í hljóði þar sem heimurinn fró. Walking through the forest where the trees do sway. Sunlight pierces through the leaves, guiding our way. In the quiet moments, we sense the earth's embrace. Feel the pulse of life here in this sacred place. Og í þessum draumum finn ég ró. Eyjar í hljóði þar sem heimurinn fró. Stars above us shimmer, secrets in the night. Waves of the ocean whisper in the moonlight. Together we find meaning in this boundless sky. Songs of the universe where souls can never die. Og í þessum draumum finn ég ró. Eyjar í hljóði þar sem heim